Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Raymond Realty residential launch upcoming in Wadala Road, located opposite to Wadala Monorail Station, Wadala East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me you can see the actual land parcel and also the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 5 acres that will have 2 towers which will be elevated to 3 basement, ground plus podium 1 which will be the eco deck plus 30 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Wadala East near Wadala Monorail Depot, from where BKC is at a distance of 10 minutes drive, Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 4 minutes, Eastern Freeway is at a distance of 5 minutes, you have Raheja Hospital at a distance of 7 minutes from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Speaking of configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 700 to 800 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1100 to 1200 square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 2 lakhs for 2 BHK and 3 lakhs for 3 BHK. This token will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. EOI holders will be given exclusive launch discounts over and above others. Second, preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first on the day of the launch to select their preferable inventory, and 100% refundable, which means if the token holder doesn't want to proceed for any reason, the token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Raymond Realty residential launch project upcoming in Wadala East near Wadala Monorail Depot, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.